In this video, I'm going to show you how to smooth edges in Photopea. First, open your Photopea project and make sure you have the image you want to work with. For example, if you are trying to extract an object from an image, you will usually start by selecting it. To do this, choose the Quick Selection tool from the left-hand side of your screen and click on the object to create a selection. Now, when you extract an object and place it onto a different background, you may notice that the edges look rough or jagged. This is a very common issue, especially with quick selections. For example, if you directly add a raster mask without smoothing the edges first, and then place a new background behind your object, the rough edges will become clearly visible when you zoom in. This can make your edit look unprofessional. To fix this, you need to smooth the edges before applying the mask. Once your selection is active, go to the top menu and click on Select, then hover over Modify, and from the side menu, choose Smooth. A small dialog box will appear where you can enter a value. Typically, a value between 10 and 20 works well depending on the size of your object, with around 15 being a good balance in most cases. After entering the value, click OK. This will slightly adjust and refine the edges of your selection. Now you can continue your workflow by adding a raster mask from the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you can create a new adjustment layer, such as a color fill, and place it below your object to test how clean the edges look. When you zoom in, you will notice that the edges are much smoother and the roughness has been significantly reduced. If you still notice slight roughness in certain areas, you can refine it further using feathering. Go to the top menu, click on Window, and make sure the Properties panel is enabled. Then, select the mask layer and click on the mask thumbnail. In the Properties panel, you will see a feather option. Slowly increase the feather value to soften the edges further. A small value, such as around 1 pixel, is usually enough to create a clean and natural edge without making it look blurry. With these steps, you can achieve smooth and professional-looking edges in your edits. And this is how you can smooth edges in Photopea.